the rainbow color. Those who wants to come here, so this is the new information we want to update. If you look,
अग खुली किताबों में जिक्र तेरा जब आया
this is the actual building of Summit. We are here at the top of the building.
वेसल्स दिख इसमें इतना चढ़ना है फ्लोर पे कौन चढ़े सब तक हालत खराब है सबकी
Oh my goodness! Oh, you're so excited, Misha.
अब खड़े हो क्यों बता अब खड़े हो क्यों बता
Hi everybody, good morning. Sanvi is sleeping, Misha is also sleeping, and you can see this is whole messed up everything. He's not here, my husband is not here. Misha, Sanvi, get up. So hello everybody, good morning, welcome to our new day vlog. So this is our last day. She is helping me. Good job. But that's it. Don't open it all. Wow. It's morning time. Wow, such a beautiful day. I think it's gonna be hot today. Really?
First, you need to live it sleep.
Yeah.
Then, when it's sunny outside, you can walk up.
Okay, really? Okay. We are going for breakfast now after long time waiting.
See, look at she's wearing. She's wearing that white shoes, and that's. Mom won't have any more.
Okay. No, my goodness, she knows everything.
निशा what you eating
Eating some biscuit, but the bread, but it's not crunchy.
not crunchy
It's right there. That's all the bread.
what is that
Potato and bread, butter, and then some oats and it's extremely healthy. Here say
what are you eggs cheese eggs sandwich huh
So mom is now folding and pressing clothes. This is gonna be mine.
Nisha and Sanvi are ready and we are leaving. And where is Daddy? Daddy is also here. Ready? We are leaving. What is going on here? Why is everything so quiet?
I'm picking up, but so we waiting here. We wait. And there's Tesla getting us.
Wow.
And
Awesome.
at that boat.
Tesla ride. Tesla. Oh, that's late. Tesla. We're going to in Tesla Sanvi. So we have to go. We are going this way. Summit again. This building. So, you excited for today, Misha? Let's go inside with the summit today. We'll summit finally. So this is the summit we are entering, and we all have to check in. So to take our cover up, shoe covers. So we're going to enter right, and we never thought of we are in tallest building ever here. This is next to Empire State Building. You can see the behind one, the tallest one. So we are at Summit here.
This is a space. One of the rooms upstairs makes your face appear in the clouds.
Okay.
It's free. It's already a ticket. Would you like to?
Wow.
Okay, bring it.
We are going to take our face and adjust your height. Stand here. What is this beautiful place? We are going to enter The shiniest place ever. Wow. This is an elevator.
Hello.
Wow. You can? Yeah, let's go. So colorful, huh? Yeah. Misha, what is this here? Wow. Room of mirrors, right? You can see mirrors everywhere. Room of mirrors? Wow. And let me show you which is here. We are here at the top of the building. My goodness, so beautiful view from here. My goodness, we cannot even see the roads, like very hard to see. The miniature of cars. The same thing we were thinking about at the Empire State. The same view we can see. But yeah, but this is the top of the building, like highest than the Empire State.
This is all one building.
Wow, never thought of we gonna come in this biggest tower. And you can see sunlight there. Sunlight. My goodness, everybody is like lying on the floor. We are here! Hi!
It's an X. Looks like an X. It looks like we are fire.
We are here.
Yay! Wow! Everybody, some people are there. I don't know how. They went up there. So you can. So we'll take a tour of this building, so we can see what's there. This is our first level we came. So there, I thought like it's gonna be only one layer, but it's layered wise, like so many layered things. Masha, you dancing? How's that mirror room? Misha, how's that mirror room? Yes. Ah. This is the other side of this building, and we're taking, and that side is the riverside area, whole riverside area. Let me give you the zoomed view of this road. You can see miniature cars are going through, and we are like 100 plus floors. I can give you the biggest zoom view through this camera. My goodness. Oh, you can see this beach side area. My goodness. So many boats are going through this beach, and it's so foggy little bit, so we cannot see even clearly. Because we are at top. This is clouds actually. That's why. So, let's go to the other way.
Misha, let's go.
This is whole New York City, Sanvi. Sanvi, you're in New York City. Now we are leaving to the other place, other section. I never thought of like it's gonna be. Yeah, bye. Oh, this is white. Reflection here. So what it is? Please don't touch this one. My God, so different thing. Wow. This is this big building here with different sections, sales floors. So this is the artwork. They created this one and this one here, this side. This is the actual building of Summit. We are inside of this building. So such a beautiful One Vanderbilt is called. So we are going to see other place, which is that one. So where we are going to enter is Affinity section, Affinity Air section. And what it is, Misha, you're gonna see the rainbow balls here. So many colorful. Misha? Show me. Misha, go. My goodness. This is the full room of this colorful balls. We are showing you in this video the actual view of this location. So you can see. So you can enjoy this lovely moment with us, and we will share with you some more things from today. So stay with us this video. You want to go, Misha? Let's go now. You don't want to go? No, she will not go. She wants to play more and more. So we are going to exit of this balloon area. We are entering to the other side of this summit. And you can see what is the view from here. What the stairs. This is the Empire State Building.
Yeah, this is another top view.
Another top view of the. Misha is also busy in taking pictures all the time. Misha is taking separate picture by herself. Oh my goodness, Papa is also in her picture. And now going to the upper level, and let's see what is the next part. Nobody posted earlier any kind of this things also we have in there. So whatever it was, that only silver balls.
Yeah, I love this thing.
So where are you going? We have to go up. Entering to the bathroom. This is the bathroom, Tisha. Wow, so pretty. You can see the view from bathroom also. These are the bathrooms. Misha, you like it? Okay. You excited? You wanna go with one? Which one? Wow. Misha is gonna show me how to wash the hands. Okay. And after that, yes. Okay. Okay. She's washing hands. And how to dry now? Okay. Don't need to go anywhere. You have to do it at the same place. And the view is awesome from here in bathroom. So, and now we are going to enter in levitation area. I don't. Oh, we're gonna see our picture here. This way? Oh, really? So we have to go on one more level, which is OB3. Let's go per level, and after that we'll leave. We'll take a picture. We'll click picture something. It says food. I can buy something from here. Section. You can see everybody is sitting. Summit Terrace here. This is a cafeteria kind of. So this is, we came out up to the terrace of the summit. This is a terrace outside of this. Only chocolate?
This is chocolate only.
Both chocolate. You're gonna love it. Misha and Sandy eating churros. How's that? It's good. Good? This is a Summit store. You can buy something if you want. Blending video photo. Orange bathroom with orange man. We're 92 floor. 92 floor. So fast we came down. First floor. Okay, we are leaving. This was fun visit. We enjoyed our time here at Summit. So this is Summit building. We wanted to take a picture from outside, and you cannot even take a picture of a whole building. So this was the tallest building ever. We came here for Summit for the tallest building, and it was fun today. You got Labubu? Yeah. Sanvi and Misha got Labubu, surprise Labubu. I don't know what color inside. And we are walking around. It was here, this shop, next to the Raising Cane, and now we are leaving. We got
Chicken veg.
veg. Misha, what you gonna eat? What is that?
There.
Wow, there's some vessel.
Yeah.
What is that? Vessel? What's the name of this?
Daddy showed to me when I in Hawaii.
Hey,
We'll be eating breakfast.
really? Okay. What's the name of this area?
Vessel.
Okay.
Hudson Vessel.
Building is totally amazing. That's why.
Oh, see, this is a building around. ये जो सब थक गए, एक घर जाना चाहती है अपना गिफ्ट खोलने के लिए, और ये दोनों घर जाना ही नहीं चाहते, यहीं बैठ के यहाँ जर्नल स्क्वायर ये देखना चाहिए, वेसल्स देखना चाहिए। इसमें इतना चढ़ना है फ्लोर पे, कौन चढ़े, सब तक हालत ख़राब है सबकी।
You go, Davy. मेरी हालत खराब।
मुझे कोई $100 भी दे तब भी नहीं जाऊँगा पैदल चल के इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के ऊपर।
So this was the Hudson Yard building, Vessel building, and now we are leaving. Where? She wants to go home actually. She is tired. She's tired. Back side view. This is the stairs I was looking for. So everybody, whoever comes here, they all dance on these stairs. what they're doing. The sad reality of this New York is like whenever you want to go some bathroom or something, you have to come to buy something and go for bathroom. है ना? You have to come here and to buy to some store and there's no bathrooms here. That's why we stopped here. Then move forward some place. And Misha said, okay, I'm hungry because the kids were so hungry and the weather is so hot.
So we home. So we're going to open up.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so excited, Misha.
Oh, you go first. No, let's both do it same time.
Yeah, both do it same time.
Bye, you.
Oh, which color you want?
really like the steel one. This.
Open it. What color it is? Is that the same thing? What color?
Brown.
Wow, Sanvi, you were looking for it, right? Coffee color? Brown color? Oh, Labuba face.
Okay.
Which color you want, Misha? Tell me.
She wants pink. No, I want this one.
The steel one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I got the brown one. I got the pink.
Oh! Oh my goodness. Labubu.
But I love that one.
Okay, you want to say bye to everybody?
Yeah.
So this was our
Coming out.
New York trip. We are gonna end up here.
Sanvi, enjoying your last day of the hotel. How's the food, Misha? What are you eating?
Same food.
Same food, same old.
Misha and Sandy and Daddy, and this is our room.
Wait, I need to
enjoyed
make a video on my phone.
We enjoyed a
Because
lot.
I cannot make it. Can
Okay.
I make my video?
Okay,
I can, and then I will remember it.
we all packed up. We're going home. Okay, let's go.
I will make the video. Yeah.
Okay. Last moment, she wants to make video. Okay, say bye to this lovely room. It was fun.
It was fun.
And
Now we will go to New Jersey.
New Jersey. She's making so much things. Oh my goodness, she's making separate video. But let's go. This was our lovely stay here. It was 302. Bye 302. We'll come back again next
Can you
time.
hand this for me? My dad. Can you hand this for
Explore
me?
so many more things next time. And some places also more. Okay, let's go. This was our end of the trip. So I hope you liked our video. If you want to share or subscribe our channel. Yeah, if you like our vlogs, please subscribe as much as you can and share. If you want to know more thing about the university, let us know in comments down below. Let's go. What?
We are going now.